Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. First of all, I would like to wish all my viewers Merry Christmas in advance. So in this video, we are going to see how to make special Christmas cookies which will be tasty and is also very easy and quick to make. So let's get started. So first take a bowl and add half cup of melted butter and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Add the sugar bit by bit and mix well along with the butter. Now add the remaining powdered sugar and whisk well until it combines well with the butter. After whisking for about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll get a nice smooth and creamy texture like this. And now into this I'll be adding 1 cup of refined flour. Give a gentle mix until it forms crumbs. Now I will add the second cup of refined flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix again well. Next goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 cup of milk. Now mix well so that everything binds together. Now place the flour mixture on a clean kitchen slab or on a wooden board so that it's convenient to knead them together. And now I'll be adding just 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. This will help to bind the flour well and also you'll get a nice smooth finish of the cookie dough. So now our cookie dough is ready and I'm going to divide it because I'll be making a chocolate cookie dough as well, for which I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 2 to 3 drops of chocolate color. Mix this well along with the cookie dough. I've added few more drops of chocolate color to get that desired color, and now our chocolate cookie dough is also ready. Now dust some flour on the kitchen slab. Place the cookie dough and with the help of a rolling pin, gently roll out the cookie dough, neither too thick nor too thin. So I've got this Christmas special cookie cutters. I have given the product link in the description section. You can check and purchase if you want, as these cookie cutters are amazing and I'm sure your kids will love these shapes. These shapes look so cute, isn't it? I'm in love with them already. Now gently pull off the dough sheet. And there you get those cute and cool shapes. Similarly, I will roll the chocolate cookie dough as well. Use your favorite cookie cutter shapes on the dough. Now gently again pull off the dough sheet, and our cookies are now ready to be baked. Now place a butter paper on our baking tray and very gently place the cutouts of the cookie dough on it. See to it that they do not stick to each other. Bake the cookies in batches, and we need to bake them on a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes my cookies are baked properly. Now you can either serve them in this way or you can decorate them according to your preference. With some melted white chocolate, I am going to draw eyes and lips on my chocolate flavored gingerbread man cookie. And with the help of melted chocolate, I'm going to stick heart-shaped sprinklers on the heart-shaped cookies like this. And a smiling lip, of course. And some colorful rainbow balls on the bell, on stars, on Christmas tree. Decorate the way you want, but I found this simple and easy, and even kids will enjoy doing this. As you can see, I have finished decorating my cookies. So friends, here goes my Christmas special cookies. Do try them at home and enjoy with your family and dear ones. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then do subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen. Here's wishing all my viewers Merry Christmas. See you soon again. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.